Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can unread message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and usually if we want to unread message, first of all we need to go to our Instagram direct message on the top right. Then we can tap and hold on the message we would like to unread like this, and usually the unread option will appear right here, but as you can see that there's no option to unread message. And how we can get it, we have to switch our account from personal account to professional account so we can get the unread option. And this is my personal account. Then I'm going to change my personal account to professional account. So we can go to the Instagram setting. Just click on the three lines on the top right. Then you have to go to the account type and tools right here. Okay, then click on switch to professional account. Click on continue, and here I'm just going to select digital creator. Okay, and click on done, and just wait for a moment. And we just need to click on next. I'm going to select creator, for instance. Okay, and we can set it up later. We can go back to our Instagram profile. Wait guys. Okay, and now this account has become professional account, and let's see the unread option in our Instagram direct message. You can go to your Instagram direct message, and I'm going to tap and hold on the message, and here as you can see we can choose mark as unread. Just click on it. Alright guys, and that's how we can unread message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.